second. Right, so everyone, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is this?
Doctor and patient conversation.
Doctor and patient conversation.
Exactly. So today we have this topic, like we are going to discuss, we are going to have a conversation between doctor and patient. Let me tell you about this conversation. This is a very general one. Like every 1 or 2 days, we have to what visit a doctor for different diseases and all. And the food that we are consuming today is also not safe. You see that when we are not getting right kind of food, then the problem happen. Diseases are there. So here the rule is that those who are going to play the role of patient, please mention different disease like lungs problem, kidney problem, let's say headache, then fever, malaria, dengue. Even if you want, you can take the name of corona. Okay, so it is up to you. So in today conversation, I have also shared some of the link today, and today our topic was also related to the conversation. Today we have seen about. Today we have see what is plasma therapy. No,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so there is a ray of hope through plasma therapy. We may get out of the corona patient from their illness. So first of all, I will do one thing. I will invite Tulsi Raudrai. Tulsi Raudrai, are you able to hear me?
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Yes. Very good evening.
Hello.
Yes, your voice is audible. Tell me.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I did not
Okay,
hear.
today is it
Hello.
audible to you now? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, right. So Tulsi, I'm saying that your job is today to play the role of doctor.
Okay, sir.
And let me select one more participant who is going to be the patient. Okay, I will invite Priyavrata Sethi. Priyavrata Sethi, you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now there is a conversation going to take place between Tulsi and Priyavrata. Okay, now both of you start the conversation. The role is you understood. Tulsi is the doctor and Priyavrata is the patient. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, both of you, best of luck. Carry on.
Uh, Hi, I am Tulsi. What is your problem?
Okay, good evening, doctor.
Good evening.
Wait a minute, please. Okay, good evening, doctor. I don't feel good today, and from yesterday, I don't feel good. So, uh, what can I do, doctor? Please check me. Hello.
Okay, Tulsi Raudra, is it audible to you? Tulsi Raudra, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi. Is the question audible to you or Priyavrata?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I am
now go.
any problem is there? You have you have any problem that is a headache like fever, yeah, other symptom?
Yeah, I have some headache from yesterday, and I don't feel good in like eating food or anything to do. I don't feel good.
Okay, did you take some medicine? Yeah, other things for that?
Yeah, yesterday night I take a Nycil tablet for decrease my headache problem.
Is there any improvement?
Yeah, it stopped my headache problem, so I slept well last night.
Okay. Actually, a nice tablet is done. You can take paracetamol instead of nice tablet.
Okay, but I Nycil tablet it is suit for me, so I take it.
It's okay. You can contact a doctor, any doctor.
You are a doctor, so consult.
Okay, don't
Okay.
forget that you are the doctor.
Okay, sir.
कैरेक्टर में रहो बाहर मत जाओ.
Now she's working in that industry, so I think she will play the best.
Okay, sir.
I will try, sir. Okay. You can take tablet crossin SOS if necessary. If pain is there, you can take. Otherwise, you will take any. If you have cold, common cold, you can take levocetirizine tablet. Then don't take nice tablet. Yeah, don't take any medicine from pharmacy directly. You should consult your doctor, me or other person, any doctor, before you taking any medicine.
Okay, ma'am. What's the timing of medicine that I take?
If pain is there, then you can take medicine after food.
Okay.
Otherwise, if continue pain is there, then you can take twice a day after meal.
Okay. That's it, sir. Sir, I have no idea about any disease. Sir. Let's complete it.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, fine. So both of you play quite a good role. Okay, next invite the
Thank you,
next
sir.
pair. Okay, next pair. The next pair will be or participant will be Sarojini Das and Krishna Sivasis Pradhan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so who is going to play what role? Sarojini.
मैं सर
Sir,
डॉक्टर को प्ले करता हूँ.
Krishna, you want to be the doctor?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And you,
Okay,
Sarojini, then we have no option left. You have to be the patient.
okay, sir.
Okay, now both of you carry on.
Good evening, sir. Hello. Hello.
Krishna, is it audible to you? Krishna Subhasis. Okay, right now he's having some problem. I think he left from the group itself. Okay, no problem. Let me invite one more person here. Okay. Krishna, is it audible now? Still yet no response. We'll do one thing. I will invite one more person. Okay, I will invite Puspa Priyadarshini. You there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, then Puspa Priyadarshini and Sarojini Das. Both of you, please continue.
Okay. I am a
Hello.
doctor.
Yes, Krishna. What
Hello.
happened?
Sorry, sir. I have some network problem, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay, Puspa. You just
Okay,
wait.
okay.
Let them
Yes.
do the conversation.
Okay. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So what's wrong with you?
Hello.
Hello. What's wrong with you?
Sir, I have felt pain in severe headache and severe headache and fever last 2 days.
Feel headache.
Severe headache.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, sir. After taking any medicine, I feel some gastritis problem.
Okay. Let me examine you.
Like pain in middle stomach.
Come on.
Hello.
I will give you hello. I will give you the medicine and go to the medicine shop and take it.
Okay, sir.
I will give you the medicine and go to the medical shop and take it.
Okay, sir. How can I take
Mm,
after food?
two double
Before food?
before food one tablet and after food in evening one tablet. There are three tablets I will give you. You can take it in before morning and
Before morning.
yes before morning and one tablet before evening.
Okay, sir.
And I will recommend you to rest 2 days rest.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Okay, fine. So is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look. Okay. Now let me ask you a very silly question. How many of you really already, like, how many of you have visited to a doctor? Tell me. Have you never ever been to in a hospital?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Definitely. All have visited what hospital, and you have seen how doctor is asking the question. So while telling the answer, please be confident and clearly mention your point. For example, let me tell you, when I enter into the hospital, or okay, in nowadays what happen? It's a very rush time. So getting an appointment is also important with a good consultant or a good doctor. Yes, there are thousands of doctor, but we selected very few or not.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes.
that scenario, appointment is also needed. So if you want to add appointment conversation also in the beginning also, it is also well and fine. So when you enter into a doctor chamber, then you say, "May I come in somewhere?" Or you say, "Okay." When you go inside, then you say, "Good morning, doctor." But you are what? When you do you really feel bad? Then your voice is going to be a little slow, and doctors encourage you thousands time. Yes or no?
Yes.
So here patient don't know. She or he is suffering from a digit, so definitely his mental balance is not there. But doctor is the what? Fit and fine one and healthy one. So he's a full confident guy helping you, telling you multiple things to do. Okay. Anyhow, let's see what others are doing. Up to now, two conversation over. Okay. Let me ask now, Sunil Bhaskar, you there?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sunil.
Hello. Good evening,
Yes,
sir.
Sunil. Okay. Sunil, you are comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will invite Sunita Sahu. Sunita Sahu, you there?
Yes, sir.
Sunita, you be the doctor and Sunil is going to be your patient.
Okay, sir.
And Sunil is having a he's having a disease. Like let's say, let's take what are the big diseases do you have?
Favor, sir.
A fever. Fever is a big disease.
Now corona
Severe,
is a big.
severe
Corona.
fever, sir.
Now
Severe.
corona.
Okay,
Corona is a
I
big
told
deal.
you in the beginning. If you take the name Corona, also no problem. Now it is very common disease, and we also know the process, what to do, what to know if a person is infected with this COVID-19. Okay, Sunil, what is your disease?
Severe fever, sir.
Okay, very good. Now both of you, please carry on.
Hello. Good evening,
Hello.
ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening. Tell me about your problem. What's your
I,
problem? Tell me.
I have been suffering fever in last 2 days. So what do I do?
Do fever. How much days you have in a fever?
Last 2 days, ma'am.
Okay.
Severe fever.
Okay. You feel like headache or cold something?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, Let me check your temperature first. Okay. And um, are you comfortable in injection or medicine?
Yes.
Injection or medicine you have taken comfortable?
Injection.
Okay. You have a no weak problem. You have a little problem. Your disease like a fever. Uh, you have tell me which fever?
Okay, how he know that what fever going on? He's the patient.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
You are the
I
doctor. You are
forget
the
your
doctor.
name. Sorry, sir. Tell me about your fever. I am forget that sometime.
Fever, ma'am. Severe fever.
Okay.
He don't
Let
know.
me,
Assume that he's a fool. He don't know.
sir. I have no idea
No,
this fever.
no. Today I have shared some of the link also, no, in the group also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is very common. If a person is suffering with fever, so you can go for the temperature check. You can check the temperature, and and you can send him for a blood test because it might be malaria or dengue, some other also. If it is
Yes,
needed,
sir.
you can check the BP also, blood pressure, yeah, and you can suggest him for a what another test are also there,
Okay, sir.
right?
Let me start.
Okay, now continue. Now continue.
Okay. Are you feel a headache or cold?
Yes, ma'am. I have severe suffering last 2 days for fever. Yesterday, I have checked my temperature 104.
Okay, let me check your temperature. First, sit down, and at this time your fever is 102 degree now, and I will I will say you don't worry. There nothing is serious problem. A little bit some. Uh, okay, I am giving you the medicine and prescription. You have to go there and buy some medicine. I'll and you will be the right in of a few days. You have to well your health and
You can say, Sunita, you can say,
sorry sir.
no problem. This is a learning class, no? So we have to learn
Okay sir.
here. What you can say? You can say, here is your prescription. I have written 3 tablets for the fever,
Okay sir.
and you have
Uh,
to take some what energy food also and energy drink. Now
yeah.
do one thing, just visit the government hospital itself. Okay, you will get it in the hospital itself, some of the medicine, and the other two you have to buy it from outside pharmacy. Just continue the medicine for 3 days. If the fever is high, then take the last tablet, the last one I have written at the end, and I circle in the prescription. If you still don't feel good, then please make a call to me or please visit to the hospital.
Yes sir. Exactly. I am telling that.
Now tell me, Sunita, nowadays anybody want to stand in a long row?
Sir.
Nowadays, अरे आजकल कोई भी पेशेंट लाइन में खड़ा होना चाहता है और they want a individual doctor for themselves.
Yes
Individual
sir.
doctor.
Individual
Individual,
doctor.
because of that, the what happened? The private hospitals are blooming.
Yes sir.
Everybody want a particular. In others country, they have special home doctor. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes.
जैसे फैमिली डॉक्टर कहते हैं. In others country, they everyone have their family doctor. So they don't need to visit outside. If it is emergency or a big kind of operation, then only they are visiting.
Yes sir.
Okay, how? Okay, very good. Anyhow, both of you perform very well. A little bit changes are needed that we can complete in the coming days. Okay, anyhow, both of you, thank you. Sunil and what? Sunita.
Thank you sir.
Welcome, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Let's see who will be the best doctor of today. I'm going to judge also at the end. I will tell who play the role very well. Okay, next Puspa Priyadarshini is there, and next Kranti, you are comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Puspa Priyadarshini and Kranti. Please take some other disease name. Leave
Okay, sir.
about okay. Forget about this disease. These are
I
the
am a doctor.
normal one. Okay, who will be the doctor?
Your choice, sir.
No. Okay, I'm not giving any certificates.
Sir, I am doctor.
Okay, we can do vice versa. First, one guy is going to play the role of doctor. Then, in the second chance, she's going to be the patient again. So,
Okay,
Kranti, you first be the doctor, and Puspa is going to be the patient. Then we'll do the vice versa.
okay, sir. Good evening, doctor.
Yes, good evening. Please come and take your seat, please.
Thank you.
What's the issue with you? Please tell me
Ma'am, I
without any
don't.
fear.
Thank you. Ma'am, I don't feel good. I think since 2 days. Um, and some fever is there. I feel weak
Okay.
and headache, or feel like vomiting.
Okay. That's all, or any other diseases, any other symptoms you are feeling?
No, ma'am.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
From which day you are feeling this?
In my abdomen stomach.
Oh, okay. Let me check you. Please open your mouth.
Okay.
Okay. Now, please let me check your blood pressure also.
Okay, ma'am.
Is there any sore throat?
No, ma'am.
Only headache?
Yes, only headache and some fever. And after I eating some food, then I feel like vomiting.
Oh, okay. Don't worry. Headache is only for the reason of fever. Let me check your fever temperature. It is 104. Don't worry. I am just writing you the prescription. You have to take this medicine from nearby pharmacy. Then, but you have to be sanitized during this lockdown and take the boiled water, not the cold water, because cold water is very dangerous for your fever. And also, if you are feeling any laziness under the fan or any cold under fan,
Yes, ma'am, little bit.
okay, that is also due to
But
fever.
ma'am, you don't mention here how I can take this tablet after
Yes,
meal
yes,
or
yes.
before meals.
First, please give me write the prescription. Then I will explain you about the medicines. Please take this prescription. Here I have mentioned 3 capsules, and that is appropriate for your fever. You have to take these medicines for 3 days. In first capsules, you have to take in the morning hours, and after food, you have to take this, not in empty belly or empty stomach.
But ma'am, I have some gastric problem. So
Okay,
give me
okay.
some
I
gastric
am
tablets.
writing here the gastracids. You have to take it from pharmacy, and there will not the side effect of this gastracids. This is only syrup. First, in the empty stomach, you have to take these gastracids. After fooding, you have to take the medicines. First, you have to take the medicines in the morning hour after food, then in the noon hour, and then in before sleep. After food, you have to take these capsules. And after 3 days, you have to come to me, and I will check you again. If during these 3 days, if any severe fever is will happen, so you will come to me. Is there any doubt? You can please say me.
No, ma'am. Thank you. No doubt. But if after 3 days, if I'm don't feeling well, so I will come.
Okay, you have to take these medicines in with boiled water because you have fever. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you. Okay, welcome. Get well soon. Take care.
Very good. Okay, this is the good one. Like this, we have to advise also. Like the doctor job is to what? They are
Yes, sir.
treating patient with their voice also. If the
Yes, sir.
you might have seen in government hospital, the doctors are quite irritated. So do you
Yes,
think
yes, sir.
they must be what?
Heart-based doctor, sir.
The doctor must be soft talking or not? And there are
Yes, sir.
soft doctor I have seen, they throw the medicine on your face.
Yes, sir. I have also seen some irritated doctors. They are always
Yes,
crabby.
once I have traveled to a hospital, I am asking just one to more question. It was about like 2 year ago. My father is feeling a pain in the down part belly. So means at the down part that's kidney related, I think. So we went to a hospital in Burla and we are asking the doctor what happened. When we reached there, we waited there for 5 hours, for 4 hours around. Then at the end, he's writing some of the prescription and he's telling just to go first do the test. Again for test, we have waited 3 4 hours. Then I started reading about the disease. What I come to know that what I started, what are the medical test needed for this problem? What problem my father was suffering? Then I have seen most of the doctor are they are commenting or suggesting only 2 or 3 tests for that. But I have seen in the prescription there are 12 tests are there which cost around 7 to 8 thousand.
Yes, sir. Same
So then I
in
call the
my
doctor,
situation
hi
also.
Mr. I call the doctor, Dr. Patra, please tell me, I have gone through this article and all this and it suggested only 2 tests. Then why you are writing, why you are suggesting me to do the 15 test or 20 test? Then the doctor say, okay, don't worry, you nothing to get worry. Just do the first two one. The two one is important. The remaining you no need to do. If it is do also okay for future, otherwise not needed. So what happened? We are unnecessarily going to waste money or not?
Yes.
Like those who are in the village area, those who are coming from village, they do have this type of knowledge. They are know or they don't know anything about it. For them, what happened? Whatever the doctor say, that is the final statement. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So like this, also people are getting like what they cheated also. Okay, now we'll do one thing. I will invite Sobhagya. Sobhagya, you there? Sobhagya Satpathy.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening, Sobhagya. Let me see one more aspirant, Rajasri Barik.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes, Rajasri, you are going to be the doctor, and your patient name is Sobhagya Satpathy,
Yes, sir.
and he's suffering with blood cancer.
Sir, I am not comfortable for this topic.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, so Sobhagya, what happened? You have to ask only one, two question. The doctor is going to speak a lot. Okay.
Okay.
Now what happened? Okay. What do you have to say when you enter into the hospital? Sobhagya, ତମେ ଡକ୍ଟର ପାଖକୁ ଗଲେ କଣ କହିବ?
ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୋ ଫିଲିଂ ହଉଛି ସେଟା କହିବି ତାଙ୍କୁ।
ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ତମେ କହିବ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ମୁଁ ରାତିରେ ଭଲସେ ଶୋଇପାରୁନି, ରାତିରେ 3 ଥର ବାନ୍ତି ହଉଛି, ଲାଷ୍ଟ 1 ମାସ ହେଲା ମୋ ବାନ୍ତିରେ ବ୍ଲଡ ଆସୁଛି, ଭଲ କି ଡାଇଜେସନ ହଉନାହିଁ, ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ମନ ଲାଗୁନାହିଁ, ସବୁବେଳେ ଚିଡଚିଡା ଲାଗୁଛି, ଛାତି ବହୁତ ଜୋରରେ ପେନ୍ ହଉଛି, ଏଇ ସବୁ ତ କହିବାର ଅଛି।
ସେଟା ସାର୍ ମାନେ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ସାର୍ ଇଂଲିଶ ରେ ସେଟା ଟିକେ କହିପାରିବିନି ବୋଲି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିବା, ମୁଁ ଅଛି ତମକୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବା ପାଇଁ, ତମେ ଓଡିଆରେ କହିବ, ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଇଂଲିଶରେ ପଚାରିବା ମ୍ୟାଡାମକୁ। ଆଉ ଆମ ପାଖରେ ତ ଡକ୍ଟର ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା, ତ କିଛି ଓରିଡ୍ ହବାର ନାହିଁ। ରାଜଶ୍ରୀ ଇଜ ଦ ଗୁଡ୍ ଡକ୍ଟର। ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Okay, Rajashree Barik, you ready to treat us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Now, Sobhagya, please start it.
Hello.
Hi. How can I help you?
Ma'am, actually, sir, ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ
ହଁ
sir,
ତମେ ଓଡିଆରେ କୁହ, ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବି। ଠିକ ଅଛି, କୁହ।
sir, topic sir କୋଉ topic ରେ?
ତମେ ଆଚ୍ଛା, ତମେ କୌଣସି ବି ଟପିକ ନେଇପାର, କୌଣସି ବି ଡିଜିଜ ନେଇପାର। ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Sir, hello.
Yes, Sobhagya, I am listening to you.
Actually, 2 ଦିନ ହବ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ପେନ୍ ହଉଛି।
ହଁ, ତ ତାକୁ ଆମେ କେମିତି ଇଂଲିଶ ରେ କହିବା? ମୋର ହଉଛି ମାନେ I am having କହିପାରିବା। ବହୁତ ଜୋରରେ I am having a strong back pain, what, from last 2 days. So Bhagya, is it clear to you?
Yes sir.
हाँ, तो सही पॉइंट है ताकू कहो, मैडम आई एम हैविंग।
Okay, ma'am, I am having
कंटिन्यू, हाँ, a strong back pain from last 2 days.
for continue a strong back pain last days.
Okay, come and sit here.
Thank you. Then
Okay, let the doctor ask the question. Let the doctor ask the question, then we will reply to her.
Since how long are you suffering in backbone problem?
right ma'am.
Sir,
Yes, सौभाग्य रिप्लाई करो, केते दिन हला पेन होची कुह तांकू।
अच्छा, 3 दिन पाखापाखि हबो।
तो कौन कहिबो? It's around 3 or 4 days, 3 and 4 days.
It's around 3 or 4 days.
okay, no problem. Do you feel and do you feel anything else?
Yes ma'am.
Do you feel anything else? Feel like vomiting, headache, fever?
No ma'am.
Only
अच्छा,
backbone.
yes,
Yes.
अंटा पेन हला आउ टिके लेजी लागिबो, तो तमे कहो I feel very lazy.
Yes ma'am, I feel very lazy.
Okay.
I am feeling lazy all the time. I am feeling lazy all the time. मते सबु बेले अलसुआ लागुची।
सर इथे भी सीरियस नो।
एंती कहिबा ना, हमें क्वेश्चन कले सिना डॉक्टर हमको डायग्नोज करिवे।
सर
अच्छा, सौभाग्य शतपथी, तमे आ गोटे काम करिवो, हमर कन्वर्सेशन कोउटा हबो ग्रुप रे पडुची समस्तंकर।
आज्ञा।
तो जो जो क्वेश्चन हमको पचारिबार अछि बा आंसर देबार अछि, आगरु भी हमें टिके प्रिपेयर हेइ जिबा समस्ते, जे को कोउथि पई हमको कोन कोन कहिबार अछि।
आज्ञा।
ठीक अछि।
आज्ञा।
ठीक अछि। राजश्री, यू कंटिन्यू।
सर, ये भी कंटिन्यू करबी तो ना आउ के
हाँ, एबे हाँ कंटिन्यू चलू, हम तमर तो सॉरी नी ना, देन कंटिन्यू। आकु आउ कोन कोन करिवो से कहले, तांकर पेन होची होची से होची। नाउ योर जॉब इज स्टार्टेड।
Yes sir. Did you take any medicine for this?
No ma'am.
Okay. Do you feel laziness or weakness?
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Very lazy any moment.
It's
I
all
feel
about
lazy
your lack
all the
of.
time.
Yes sir, all the time.
Okay, it's all about your lack of vitamins. So I prescribe you some vitamin medicines. And do you have any nerves problem, like the spinal cord
No,
problem?
no.
Okay. I need your CT scan. I need your सर इसको क्या बोलते हैं बैकबोन प्रॉब्लम का जो है?
इसका टोटल एक्सरे तो किया जाएगा, पूरा स्कैन होगा.
ओके सर.
MRI scan.
MRI.
Yes, MRI is a complete scan है.
Okay, I need your MRI test. So you, after this, you can go our library. Then
No. Okay, after that you visit the pharmacy nearby and have the medicine what I am prescribing to you. And
next sir, ମୁଁ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି କି ସେ MRI ଟା କରିବେ.
you first do your MRI.
Okay, first do
Simple
your
କଥା.
MRI. But now I prescribe you some medicines and injection. So that you continuing the medicines and injection. Any problem, you call me or you visit me again. So don't worry about this. This is a little problem. So have confidence. You will get well soon. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Right. So everyone आमे conversation को केते जल्दी सारिबा समस्ते सही पछरे पडिछंती. आमे conversation को आउ के
Sir, କରିଥାନ୍ତି conversation because
ठीक अछि.
but see sir question କିଛି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ problem ହଉଛି.
ଅଛି ଆମର ଏଇଟା କଣ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ କନଭରସେସନ ଡେ ତ ଗ୍ରାଜୁଆଲି ସମସ୍ତେ କନଫିଡେଣ୍ଟଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି, ସିଏ ବି କହିବେ.
Thank you sir.
ଠିକ ଅଛି, ତ ତମେ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରି ପାରିଥାନ୍ତ, ତାଙ୍କ ଡାଏଟ ବିଷୟରେ ପଚାରିଥାନ୍ତ, ସେ କଣ ଖାଉଛନ୍ତି କଣ ନାହିଁ, କାହିଁକି ନା ଖାଇବା ପିଇବା ଉପରେ ବି ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛି.
ହଁ sir, weight ଉପରେ ବି depend करे backbone problem ଟା.
ତାପରେ ସେ କେମିତି ଶୋଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା ବି ମ୍ୟାଟର କରେ, ନାଇଁ ନା ଆମର ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟାଇଲ ଅଫରେ ଲୋକ ଶୋଉଛନ୍ତି ନା.
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir.
ହଁ, ତ ସେଇଟା ବି ଆମେ ପଚାରି ପାରିବା. ତାପରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ଏକ୍ସରସାଇଜ ବି ଆମେ ସଜେଷ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବା ନା.
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir.
ଆମକୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ ଦେବାର ଅଛି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir.
Okay, anyhow both of you did great. Now I'll move to another participant. Jyoti Sagar Jain, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Acha, so Jyoti Sagar, you have done the conversation or not yet?
No, sir.
Yes. You have not. Acha, Jyoti Sagar, and next Supriya Maji, you there?
Yes sir.
Yes, Supriya and Jyoti Sagar, please have the conversation. Okay, first of all, select who want to be the doctor or who is going to be the patient.
I am.
I like to be a patient.
Okay, so Supriya Maji is going to be the patient. Okay, Jyoti Sagar, you are the doctor. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Jyoti Sagar is coming to a network zone.
Okay, sir.
Jyoti Sagar, you are comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you will start, both of you.
Good morning doctor.
Good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you doctor.
What's wrong with you?
Doctor, I have been suffering from fever from last day.
Do you have any symptom?
Yes sir.
Like
I
headache?
also feel. Yes sir. I also feel headache and vomiting.
Okay. Let me check your temperature.
Thank you doctor.
It is not too high. It is only 100 degrees Celsius. Uh, and then let me your blood pressure.
Okay, okay, doctor.
Your blood pressure is fine. Have you any other problem?
No, doctor.
Okay, I gave you some medicine and eat it.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Doctor, how much I will pay you?
It is a government hospital, no pay.
Uh,
No, she's feeling like that. She traveled. She visiting. She visits a what private one. Okay, if it is a rural area, then we are paying fee to the doctor. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It means in metro city the doctors are not taking money.
It's taking money.
Yes, they are taking, but not directly through medium.
First, he
Yes or
make
no?
the ticket, then he
Exactly.
go to the doctor.
First of all, you what? Make sure about your
Making
appointment.
and give money.
After that, no. When you are visiting Sports Hospital or Apollo, what happen? You first enter into the reception. You have the. They are asking your whole information.
But in capital hospital, भी
After
ऐसा ही
that,
होता
what
है.
happen? In capital, you are paying money directly.
No, first make ticket.
Yes, definitely. In government hospital, you have to take the ticket. You have to wait for the doctor. Then he is suggesting the medicine. If it is available in the store of that hospital, then it is
Capital
well and
hospital
fine.
ticket cost
Otherwise,
only
you have to
10
buy
rupees.
outside.
Yes, sir, 10 rupees, sir. Capital hospital ticket.
Right. But still in India, still in Orissa, we need more hospital. What do you think, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because everything is not going well, no? Still more things are needed in the field of healthcare and all this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's invite one more participant of the day, Junurani Das. She there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And one more who have not participated up now. I hope everyone participates. So Priya Maji, Sunita, what about you?
Sir, I am also participate.
Sunita Sahu.
Sir, yes, I am.
You have participated.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but she's looking for a doctor. Now tell me who want to be the doctor.
sir, move.
I want to be.
I want to be a doctor.
Okay, okay. So how many? Tulsi Rautray and again who?
Sir, me, Rastri Varik.
Rajashree Varik.
Thank you.
Okay. Fine. Okay, we will do one thing. Let Junurani visits both the doctor. Okay? It will be fine, no? If she is not suggesting good, if she don't feel comfortable, then she will visit to another doctor.
Yes, sir.
Let's see who is the best one. Okay, Junurani Das, now tell me, okay, where you want to visit first? Which doctor? Tulsi Rautray or one more Rajashree Barik?
Sir, Dr. Rajashree Varik.
Okay, now carry on. Okay, you got 7 to 8 minutes for the conversation. Go for it.
Yes, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Please come. How can I help you?
Thank you. I have been suffering stomach pain from last 5 days.
Okay. Sit here.
Thank you.
Yeah. What did you eat last night? What did you eat last night?
Tell me again.
What did you eat last night?
Mm, chicken roti.
Okay. It is possible for that. Okay. Anything else?
Yes, I am not feeling hungry when my stomach pain is very. Uh,
Okay, fine. Um, did you have any motions yesterday? Tell me, did you have motion yesterday? Hello. 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 Sir.
Okay, is it audible, Junurani? You're not responding. Hello.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, she's having, I think, some network issues. Junurani Das, you are able to hear us? She's going to join once again. She's having some trouble, I think, in the network. Let's wait for 1 minute, else we'll do some other thing, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, she joined now. Okay, now is it okay, Junurani?
yes, sir. Sir, some
Okay,
network.
please. Yes, I understood. Please continue.
Okay, did you have motion yesterday?
What?
Did you have motions yesterday?
I am not understand your speech.
Okay. You feel like laziness, weakness, or vomiting?
Yes.
Okay. Did you take any medicines for this?
Yes.
Please give me the medicines. Can you see?
Okay.
Please repeat it.
Hello.
Hello.
Take any medicine for this?
No, my all medicine is not available now.
Okay, don't worry. I prescribe you to some
Yes.
medicine that control your stomach pain.
Thank you.
Any questions? You ask me. You can ask me.
I ask one question. What type of food I will eat in daily life, daily routine?
Okay. I require you some drinks and drink water a lot and mix some glucon-D powder and some energy drink. So I prescribe you some energy drink, also medicines and injection. So you continue. Anything any problem, so contact me or visit me again, no problem. And don't worry about this. This is a little problem. It will be fine and you will get well soon. So thank you.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
It's over, sir.
Okay. Normally what happen? Normally the patients ask 1,000 question to the doctor. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Feel like you are really suffering with something. So you have to ask multiple things because as a patient they don't know anything about the thing. Assume that suddenly you come to know you have a unknown digit. Now what happened? Is 1,000 questions are not going on your in your mind? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Assume that I am fit and fine right now, and I got the symptom of corona. Do you think I am going to be happy?
No.
No.
No. We are going to ask the doctor 1,000 question or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And every doctor they are what? They are full of patients.
Yes, sir.
Even I have seen like there is a conversation between doctor and patient for 2 hours, 3 hours. If it is a psychiatrist.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next another doctor is available. Now Tulsi Rautra is there. So let's select a patient of the day. Okay, who want to play the role of patients once again? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Who is
Yes, sir.
Sarojini Das?
Sarojini. Yes.
Yes. Okay, both of you. Now go for the conversation. We got 3 to 4 minutes only.
Yes, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
good evening.
Ma'am, I feel back pain and also severe headache and vomiting 3 times per day. Last 2 days.
Okay. Is there any fever?
No, ma'am. I have no fever, but I feel lazy at morning time.
Okay. Did you eat any fast food outside
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
in
I'm not taking.
2
I'm
to
not
3
taking
days?
any alcohol. No, no.
Did you have any constipation problem?
Yes.
Constipation. Have you passed stool correctly in a regular basis?
No, ma'am. Actually, I have 3 months pregnant, so I feel constipation 2 months. Before 2 months, and I take for medicine constipation. After taking medicine, 80 after taking medicine, I feel 3 to 5 days. Then again, this problem is arise.
Is there any gastric problem?
Yes, ma'am. I feel gastritis problem after any taking food.
Okay. Due to pregnancy, sometimes back pain is occur.
Yes.
You can take only paracetamol when you have pain. Otherwise, you can take medicine. I will prescribe. If back pain is not reduced, then you will visit for other tests. Then you should do some exercise in pregnancy time. That may be reduce your back pain. Then you should avoid pillow. You can take a small bed sheet, folded bed sheet. Don't use pillow. And your sleeping pattern should be in proper way, because due to sleeping pattern, sometime back pain occur. And
Madam, I feel uncomfortable, and last 2 to 3 months, I am not sleeping well.
okay. After night food, you can walk for a short time, 15 to 20 minutes. So
Okay.
it will It will help in your sleeping pattern better. Otherwise, you can take food evening time, and then you should go for night work for 15 to 30 minutes. Then your sleep will be better.
Okay, ma'am.
Then do you avoid for vomiting purpose? You can take this tablet. I will give prescription, and you should avoid milk product food for 1 month. This
Okay, ma'am.
problem, if your problem is reduced, then you can take milk product.
Okay, ma'am. Madam, I have
You want? Yes.
yes, I have a problem. After vomiting, I feel severe pain in my stomach.
Okay. If you take this vomiting medicine, then
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will.
I am taking vomiting medicine once a day.
No. It will take thrice a day, 3 times a day, before half an hour of food. Then after half an hour, you can take food. Then take plenty of water. It will be help in digestion. Then you can visit after 7 days. Here is my mobile number. You can contact anytime. If you have any other problem, you can contact me.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, that's all, sir.
Okay, very fine. It look quite realistic. Okay, so thing is that what we learn from today lesson, while we are doing conversation, shall we speak first or we should go in moderate speed?
We should go in moderate speed.
Definitely, while normally, let me tell you, so when we are talking with a person, what happens?
Sir, moderate speech meaning?
No, it means no need to speak fast, no need to speak very slow. For example, good morning, doctor. Then I waited, she asked me or he asked me 5 questions, then also I am not replying. Talking very slowly, not replying to the question. So no need to talk very slowly. It's really boring. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
if you speak fast also, then what happens? Assume that the doctor is suggesting the patient thousand things very rapidly, like a metro train. Then what happens? Do you think the patient is going to understand the advices? Is it helpful?
No.
No, sir.
No. So what happens? We have to maintain a balance or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And while speaking, I noticed some of the students from today's conversation. I'm telling, some of the students are having a little bit problem, like when कोई verb को अगर जहाँ पे ing करना होता है वहाँ पे अब normal हो जाता है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा change होता है, वहाँ पे थोड़ा change होता है. A little bit changes are needed.
That's
So
a future
that
doctors
will.
are in our class.
Yes. So what happened? That happened. It's natural now. So gradually that is going to omitted from our speaking part. So don't worry for that. Like this, we have to take what? Thousand topic. So whenever a topic placed in the group, make sure that what you are going to speak. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Today I have seen the student participate very well. And those who are not play well, don't worry for this because you have another opportunity. Now this is the open platform. You can talk. You can share the feeling. So nothing to worry if you are not able to speak. Just listen to other, observe other, watch more and more